Surely, Mom heard me calling. I want to come in with her.
Macy, meow 3 times if you love me.
坐下来。
Sit down, please.
老金顺着他的视线看去，一头母狮正死死地盯着他们。那一刻，老金没顾上自己的安危，满脑子。
She's a cat, but she doesn't say meow. She says hi.
And look at this little businessman!
The owner feels very happy that their cat can say hi.
It looks cute, but she has just farted.
But unfortunately, it landed at a really bad time.
Sorry.
One of the key aims of this coalition is to massively reduce.
I understand how the cat feels right now. Truly lonely, as her mom is at work.
Hi, TJ.
Huh?
Oh, no. You don't need more food.
Yes, with a body like this amount of food is definitely too little.
Simba, if you love me, move your leg 2 times. Okay,
This cat
now if you
not
love
only
me,
understands
move
English,
your arm
but can
10
also
times.
count.
Aww.
Here you go, Smokey. He said, patience, Ginger. He's still chewing. I know, buddy. Almost done.
Hi, handsome. Would you like a treat? Do you want a treat? All right, come on. Come on.
I love you. You're not okay? No. Did I hurt you? I'm sorry.
I think the cat is calling its best friend, the dog, to come and play.
One, two, three.
Not tuna. No. Not every can that gets opened is tuna. Stop yelling at me. It's not tuna. It's corn and beans. It's not tuna. It's corn.
你怎么了？你怎么了？你咋了？我没有吃的。
Baby, you hungry? Say yeah!
Блин, слышишь, как кричит? На ушки одела, одела ушки так голову, обруч. Он прям вообще в зоне.
¿Es pollito? ¿Sí? ¿Pollito? Okay.
Kelly!
Say what?
Just say what? Hey!
Hi! What you doing? Yeah? Do you like the sun?
I guess the owner just got home from work. The cat has been waiting for her all day.
Sweet.
I heard every single word. Will the dog understand and come over?
Salam alaikum.
We meet this cat again. Let's listen to his tone when he speaks Arabic.
Alhamdulillah.
Perhaps this cat is feeling very lonely.
Oh, hey buddy. You giving me a massage? That feels so good. Thank you. Yeah, keep going, little guy.
Let's listen to what this cat has to say.
Hey. I love you. She said it. You said I love you.
Salam alaikum.
From the sound of their laughter, I can tell this cat speaks Arabic. Is this cat even a real cat? I'm so surprised.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
These cats must have been members of a band in their past lives.
Excuse me. How did you even get up there? Well, how do you expect me to get you down? I'm too short.
I love you. Can you say hello? Yes, you did.
Sheldon. Sheldy.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow.
Ayang mau ke siapa? Mau ke mama? Mamanya di mana? Mamanya di mana?
Like a mother and her little child,
You're so needy.
the mother always understands what her
Are you a
child
good boy?
says, and vice versa.
Are you the bestest boy?
You said hello? What's up, Sting? You just said hello? What's up, son?
hungry? Say yeah!